Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar to your Apple Calendar. Alright, if you want to sync your Google Calendar with Apple Calendar, make sure you watch the video until the end. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to your settings and scroll down until you see this option for calendar. What you have to do is click over there, and here you can see the accounts option. So over here what you have to do is click on Gmail, and here you can see this is our Gmail account which we have connected to our Apple account. So what you have to do is, here you can see the option for various services that Gmail account is using. So what you have to do is just add your Gmail account over here, and your Google Calendar will be synced with your Apple Calendar. So as you can see in the video, we have our Gmail connected to our calendar. So yeah, that is how you will be able to connect your Google Calendar with Apple Calendar. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.